Hey you, yeah, I'm talking to you. What time is it right now? Oh, no, hold up. It's time for me to give you the tip today. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe. Join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Keep it real with you guys today. If they want you to leave, let them. If they want you to go, just go. You wasn't put on this earth to convince people your worth. You was put on this earth to do things like loving yourself, nourishing yourself, flourishing yourself, okay? Getting better, doing better, being better, all right? You was put on this earth to create, to love, to cherish, to enjoy the moment. You know, you're not here to impress anybody. You're here to spread positivity. And I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. The one deserving of you will always make you feel appreciated. Keep that in mind, alright? Without further ado, guys, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be.